Hi, Gareth from Port Monkeys here, and we are on the lovely Discovery Princess. And I'm on deck 16 right now, very back of the ship. And this is the wake pool and the wake view bar, and that's sunrise. We're gonna walk up and down deck 16, 17, 18. Show you that. If you want to see decks 5, 6, and 7, you'll have to watch a different video. So, Wakeview Bar. It's a little wet, slippery. I don't want to fall down, so I'm going to go kind of slow here. You should know that it's the same on both sides of the ship. We're on the starboard side, the right side, but these couches are also on the other side. Now we're going to go inside here, and it's going to be the World Fresh Marketplace. First though, here's the aft stairs and elevators. So World Fresh Marketplace is the ship's buffet, and it's really big. And it's 6:45 here, so it's starting to get busy here. So it's in like 2 sections. This section, and then there's a forward section. There are several of these food places, right? Now there's duplication, right? So, but it's plenty of food, and as big as this is, around 8 a.m. it'll be packed. And then at lunchtime, dinner not so much. So now I've crossed over to port. You can get your own coffee, iced tea, lemonade, hot tea. They have this little dessert alcove. They've added coffee here now. Did you see that? You can also get specialty coffees here. They're going to cost you $4, give or take, plus gratuity. And one more area. Hi. Hi. I was my waiter last night. Now we're up to the midship stairs. And elevators. And it's a little bit cold and windy out. But like I say, the sun's just coming up. Oh, that's a blanket. Towel station. You need a life preserver. Here's the sea walk, sea view, whatever. I'll get you right down there. And these are called the sky pools. And there's hot tubs there, there's hot tubs there. Spas, whatever you want to call them. Movies under the stars. This is the Sea View Bar. Yeah. So that's another entrance or exit from the buffet. This is Swirl's ice cream. Free or complimentary soft serve ice cream. And remember I said it was the same on this side, so here's another sea view. Hi. Fabulous. How are you?
Excellent.
Hey, we got the same hat. Princess gave me this hat for some reason. Anyhow, So there's two big pools. The seas don't feel that rough, but the pools would indicate otherwise. And then there's a hot tub here and two couches. I bet you're wishing I would slip and fall and catch that on the camera. That brings us to the Salty Dog Grill. That says Salty Dog Cafe though. Whoa, yeah, that's slippery. Anyway, hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, pulled pork, complimentary. The mixed bar, not complimentary. Whoa. You may get your wish. But this is really slippery here. And Slice Pizzeria. Complimentary pizza. By the slice. Of course, you can get 3 slices, 6 slices, whatever you want. They usually have 3 or 4 different kinds of pizza in a day. Okay, wow. Now they're gripping. So we're heading forward now on the on the port side of deck 16, and forward more there's just cabins. Just cabins and artwork by passengers. I'm proud to say there are 3 of my photos adorning the hulls. Well, at least 3. So that's as far as we're going to go on deck 16. Let's go up to 17. So I went up to sun deck 17, and you should know that there are cabins here also. But it's also the retreat, which is supposed to be adults only. The retreat pool, see that? But I don't see it marked anywhere. Bathrooms, automatic doors, automatic doors. Held that long. Whoa! There it says adults only. So this is the retreat pool. Through those windows on each side are cabins. And we had a cabin right there the first time we were on this ship. This is the retreat bar. And I don't know if they ever use it. But I'm going to go around a different way. More water on the deck. Oh, really? Maybe not. It's weird because on one side it's an automatic door and on the other side it's a handle. So, cabin all the way forward. Let's go the other direction. And I'm wondering if my hat's going to blow off when I get outside. So there's only cabins in the front of the ship, up on 16 and 17. 15 down to 8, all cabins. The whole length of the ship. And it's a big ship. It's 145,000 tons, which is big for Princess, but you know, not for Royal Caribbean, right? That's not windy at all here. So that's one of the sky suites, and the other one is on the other side. So that's somebody's cabin and balcony. Keep a hold on my hat. While we walk down here. Movies under the stars, lots of lounge lounge chairs. Look at that sunrise. So, walking back here, going half of that 17, right? Got a hot tub here. More lounge chairs. No shortage of. Tour over here. This, of course, is the name of the ship. Right? This is the fitness center. And of course it's 7 o'clock now, so it's going to be fairly busy. But they have machines and treadmills and ellipticals and free weights and bicycles. They have this room where they do classes. But the classes cost, remember? Plenty of little towels. And even another little room with weights and the rope. So we're all the way in the back of the ship now on deck 17. I'm going to cross over. This is the aft stairs and elevators. This is the beach house and Camp Discovery. And none of this will be open. But it's cool to walk down this hall, huh? And the beach house. Ages 13 to 17. The lodge 8 to 12. And the tree house was 3 to 7. Heads up. This door opens out. This is Photo Studio, replaced Platinum Studio, right there. We're going to the back of the ship on deck 17, and this is the smoking area. Smoking area. And also the loud music area. So I don't know what's up with that, but if you want to smoke, you should come out here, right? Now, let's go back inside. We're gonna go up to deck 18. Up to deck 18, I went back out and used these stairs. So this is the jogging track. And 7 laps is 1 mile, 6 kilometers. And up here, well, let's go forward. And it's a little windy out here. This is center court. And they have pickleball and basketball and some other sports. Deck 18, which we're on, is split in 2. This is the back half, and up there where those suites were is the front half. So do this and then go up there. Hold on to your hats. This is the screen for moving up the stars. Right? There's nothing on it yet today. And of course the two swimming pools. So from deck 18 in the back of the ship, the aft, I had to go down, cut across, and now we're at the front of the ship on deck 18. They don't connect. And this is the door for one of those suites. We're going to go outside here. It's going to be windy. This is the retreat area. Retreat. Remember the retreat pool was down there? Cabins around it. I'm holding on to my hat. So this area is free. Spa here and spa over the other side. People in it over the other side. It's got these trellises. If you want to sit under one of these, just get here early. Right? So this is the retreat area. It's supposed to be adults only. Seeing signs up here though. And then this is the sanctuary. Now the sanctuary costs extra money. It costs $40 for the day. $20 for half a day. And I don't know, they probably have a weekly price or a monthly price if you're on that long. Hopefully it's a bargain. We've never paid and stayed up here. Don't really see any reason for it. But you get your own private hot tub, unless of course there's 50 people in here. Then it's not so private anymore, is it? Oh no! I don't know whether the television rooms cost more, but they have these thick pads on it and fancier towels. So that's the sanctuary. Now, not only do we have to get out of the sanctuary, but we have to go back to the back of the ship and go up to 19. And that'll be the last deck. My medallion just popped out because I caught on that door. Oh, that's weird. So